Martin, what are you doing? It's a secret. Well, you can tell me. You're creating a top secret plan to build a catapult. Catapult? That sounds a really, really good idea. Can I do it too? Why not? Because I'll take full credit for all of your ideas. I'm not like that, Sir Martin. Okay, go to it. You carry on with your planning. So Martin's going to carry on making his catapult, or plan his catapult, and I'm going to show you how to do mine. This next STEM challenge, this is STEM challenge number 3, we are going to be building a very simple catapult. The bricks that you're going to need are the larger size bricks, like the 2x4s, but also as many as the big chunky ones as possible, because you're going to need a firm base for your catapult. You are also going to need some flats. If you've got a square flat, that would be good, and then the longest flat that you have possible. Reason being, this is going to be the bit that's going to help launch your catapult. What to do is build the launching mechanism of it. So you're going to get your flat, you're going to get your other long flat, and you're just going to stick it on the back like so, because this is where you're going to launch your objects from. You're then going to put a flat 2x4 on one side there, and then you're going to get another flat, and this time I've got one in red because, and you're going to put it on the other side like so. Reason being, 3 flats together are the same thickness as one chunky piece of Lego. Now your catapult is going to be that way, like that on the floor. So now we need to build our base. I'm going to put, see it here, I'm going to put a big bit if I've got it there, like so. And then I'm going to put another chunky bit there and another chunky bit there. I'm going to put more chunky bits at the side. So your catapult's going to look like this. But what you do need to do is try and build up the back of your catapult. So this is what my catapult looks like at the moment, because it's going to rest on the floor like this. And when you rest it on the floor, it's really good if you can make it the length of a finger grasp, so that you can hold it like that when you've got it on the floor and you launch your catapult. That is going to keep it secure, and it's not going to break like when I first did it. The next thing that you're going to need to do at this top bit here, you're going to get a couple of bits at the top like so. Actually, I'm going to move that about like that, because that is where the bits that you're going to launch are going to go. So your catapult should look something like that. And if I flick it back, oh, it's got over there. That was pretty good. In a real health and safety notice, please do not fire your catapult at anybody, at anything apart from an inanimate object. So what are we going to fire our catapult at? We're going to fire it at these little angry bird piggies, because we know that they're really naughty, so they deserve it. So let's try it out. So Martin, you're still doing your plan, and you haven't got anything to show for it this video. Your one's going to take time, because it's going to be huge. How huge, Martin? We haven't got that much space in the house. I'll see. Martin, you're worrying me now.